In this video, we'll be showing you how to do a binary search on your Minecraft server. We are going to do a binary search. So basically what a binary search is, that when we face a bug in our Minecraft server, we try to remove plugins one by one or a few at a time out of the plugins directory to figure out which plugin is at fault. So to proceed, let's just go back to root directory, and just to let you know the server hasn't started yet, as I'm just showing you the process. So first, what you need to do is create a directory called disabled. All right, now go back to the plugins directory, or in other words, the plugins folder. And for this video, let's take tab as an example and try to figure out what plugin is behind the customization of server tab. So right now, we have 6 plugins in our plugins folder. To proceed, let's choose the first 2 plugins, which are Citizens and Votifier. Now the next step would be to move them. So click on the Move button and then proceed to enter the exact thing I did. We enter 2 dots at the start to move back one directory and then type /disabled so that we're moving it to the disabled folder. And after that, you can just start the server and find out on whether the issue is still persisting, which in our case is to check if the tab is still being customized. If it isn't fixed, then we stop the server. So now we have to move 2 more plugins. It can be any number of plugins at a time depending on the amount of plugins you have. For example, some servers have 100 plugins and can decide to move 5 at a time as 2 will take longer. So let's do it again. Let's say I move tab and placeholder API, so I can just click move again, and let's just enter the directory again, as you can see. So now you can start the server and you'll notice that the tab isn't there anymore, as one of the recent plugins you moved were the ones responsible for it. So now if you want to know what plugin is at fault, you go back and click on Disabled folder, and then check for the recently moved plugins and figure out their features. And once you have done that, you'll find out what plugin is at fault. So after you've found out the culprit, you can move back the remaining jar files to the plugin directory. To move back, you repeat the same process but with 2 dots and a slash in plugins, as you can see. So that's how binary search works. I hope the video has been helpful. See you soon.